Hey guys, let's go to problem 28. Problem 28. This is classic. So here we go. 3x plus 2 times 5 equals ax plus b. If you just look at this question, well, you would say, oh, what kind of question is this? Is this just asking about distributive property? Yeah, kind of, but it's not really asking us about the distributive property. If you read the question very carefully, it says find the value of a plus b. All right, so here we go. We got 3 times x plus 2. I got 3x plus 2. X plus 2 times 5, which is going to be ax plus b. All right, how on earth would I get a plus b? What do I need to plug in the place of x? I think I need to get, like x equals 1. So set x equals 1, right? So set x equals 1. If you set x equals 1, let's see what happens. We have 3 times 1 plus 2 times 5. So open parentheses, and of course the parentheses tells us that we got to perform these numbers first. So that becomes 5, and if you multiply 5 by 5, you get 25. And this is supposed to be a times 1 plus b, which I know that should be a plus b. So we can tell that these are 25, in fact. So we have found 25 as an answer, and let's just try to check whether it is really true by the distributive property too. All right, so imagine distributing property using all those 5. We are distributing those 5 into the positions of 3x and 2. So that means that we can multiply 3x by 5. I can multiply 3x by 5, and I can multiply 2 by 5. And of course, if I multiply it in this following form, we can switch the order. And of course, you got to switch the order, and you got to do the associative property and commutative property multiple times. You get 15x plus 10. So what do you know about A? A is supposed to be 15. What do you know about B then? B is supposed to be 10. All right, so A equals 15 and B equals 10. If you add those two values up, we get 25, and that shall be it. So it's easy to see how we use the identity, right? So these are identical stuff. These are identical equation, I would say, or the expressions. So, of course, if we put the right values of A and B for sure, then these are the identity. But if A and B are different numbers than 15 and 10, we get something called the equations. Equation usually has solutions, but identity has infinitely many solutions, right? So that being said, we're done with 28.